All right, traders, Wednesday morning, let's find out what's happening using DayTradeToWin software. You can see that there are a few signals here to the short side. I think that any of these signals would have been good to take. Based on the rules, we have 5 signals. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. 5 signals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all good, all winners. A lot of traders are using the DayTradeToWin software to get ahead here and understand what the market is doing. But if the market changes, and that's exactly what we see starting to happen, it's starting to head up. This is about half hour later, we have this kind of consolidation in the center. We have a combination of long and shorts. This is not where we want to be because there's a lot of confliction. I don't want to trade that. That's what we teach. We only want to focus when things are aligned. So if you have multiple signals, so we have now 2 signals here to the long side. This is perfect. This makes it very clear the direction we want to take it. It's not one long, one short. It's not a garbled mess. It's very clear the reason why I want to take this trade to the long side. Always use a stop, really important. That's why the stop is there. Let me just adjust the chart here a little bit. And now long on the E-mini S&P or the Nasdaq or the Dow, the signals are price action based, so you can really use any market that you want. And now it's on its way up. If this trade does not hit the target or comes very close to it, close the position. Be smart about it. Be proactive when it comes to managing your trades. If it starts to turn around and stays a very long time below where you entered, again, get out of the trade. It's not worth it. I mentioned this yesterday. The longer a trade is against you, the worse off you are. Oh, there's another long signal here to go long. Another DayTradeToWin signal here to the long side. So I'm on the right track. We have 3 signals here that are all focused to the long side. Makes perfect sense that long is where we want to be. Use the target and the stop that we teach, whether it be based on the ATR, the average true range, or if you're using the sonic system, use the target and stop based on the sonic system. And now it's just a bit of a waiting game. As a day trader, you shouldn't hold on to these trades unnecessarily, and you should never overtrade. So if you've taken any of the trades short in the morning and you're ahead, stop. There's no reason to continue entering into the market. Take your money and run. If you're taking this long trade here, once it hits your profit target, get out of the trade, call it a day. Look for another opportunity, maybe later in the day or tomorrow. But I really think that overtrading is a problem. And now we're going to just hold on to this and wait for the profit target to be hit. It's almost there.
Target filled.
Target's hit. Let me add the text and marker just to show you the exact entry and exit. Now you can do this on TradingView and you can do this on NinjaTrader. Accelerated Mentorship includes all the software that you see here on the chart in one package. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and I'll see everyone in the next video. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView.